This strategy can be used for group work in the class. Suppose I want to create the PowerPoint for class 10 advanced. So we'll go to our class and click on files, and then I'll go to the math folder here, and you can just click on new and create a PowerPoint presentation, and you can give it any name. Suppose I want to give this group work 2, which I'll use on 7th April 2020, and click on create. So you'll get a presentation like this, which you can edit. Just you can take a blank slide and then you go to the insert table. Now it depends on the number of students you want in a group. So in this class I have 32 students, so I'll make 8 groups of 4. So make it in such a way that it covers the entire slide. Okay, and then just to make it a little colorful, you can change the colors of different cells. This can be any color, I'll make it yellow. And then you can insert a text box and write the group number here. So suppose this is group 1. And you can, okay, after doing this, you can just duplicate the slides as many times as you want. Okay, so I need 8, so I will duplicate it 4 times. And then you can go back to the first slide and insert the names of the students. So suppose I want Rimaz and Asma Khalid, and then I want maybe Hamda, and then Asma Hassan. This way you can just put everybody's names on each of the slides and assign them tasks. If you want to keep the same tasks for each group, then you can assign the task and then duplicate the slides. So when the students are working, you just need to guide them to go to the folder and open the relevant file. So when they open the file, they will see a space for them where they can work on the question that you have assigned, and everybody in the class can work together at the same time. But you have to make it clear to the students that they have to be respectful of other students' work and not delete or remove other students' work. Thank you.